Everybody, this is Mohammed from Math for All's channels, and today we want to solve this question from Harvard entrance math exam. This is a very difficult and tricky question, and let's solve it. The question is x to the power of logarithm 27 plus 9 to the power of logarithm x is equal 36. Find the x for real number. Okay, first I should write 27 is 3 to the power of 3 and 9 is 3 to the power of 2. Now rewrite the equations. I write x to the power of logarithm 3 to power 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 logarithm x is equal 36. Okay, now I should know two rules for solving this question. The first one is if a plus b plus of c is equal a plus c, a to the power of c to the power of b is equal a b dot c. And the next rules is the logarithm a to the power of b is equal b dot logarithm a. It means you can bring the b before the logarithm and multiply it to logarithm. Okay, now I rewrite it. I can write x to the power of 3 dot logarithm 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 dot logarithm x is equal 36. And now I can rewrite it by this way. X logarithm to the power of logarithm 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of logarithm x to the power of 2 is equal 36. In here, I should know another rules for the logarithm. It is a to the power of logarithm b is equal b to the power of logarithm a. By this way, I can say this one and this one is equal. They are equal. And now, or actually they are same. Okay, now I should say x to the power of logarithm 3 is u is equal 3 to the power of logarithm x, and now I rewrite it. I can say u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 is equal 36. And here it's very interesting. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and let's continue. I can say for solving these equations, u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 is minus 36 is equal 0. And now I should rewrite it by a very tricky way. By this way, I say u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 minus, actually 36 is equal 27 plus 9, and I rewrite it 27 plus 9 is equal 0. I can rewrite it u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 minus 27 minus 9 is equal 0. And I rewrite it by this method. U to the power of 3 minus 27 plus u to the power of 2 minus 9 is equal 0. Now I should two other rules. The first one is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is a minus b multiple a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus a dot b, and a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equal a minus b dot a plus b. Okay, by this method I rewrite my equation. U to the power of 3 minus 27, actually 27 is 3 to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 is equal 0. I rewrite 9 is equal 3 to the power of 2. Okay, now I can rewrite my equation by this way. This part of my equation is u minus 3 multiply u to the plus of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 dot u, and this part of my equation is u minus 3 multiply u plus 3, and now I rewrite it. U minus 3 multiply u to the power of 2 plus 9, actually plus 3 dot u plus u minus 3 multiply u plus 3, actually it's equal 0. Now I can take a factor from this part of my equation because they are same. I can rewrite it by this way. U minus 3 multiply u2 plus 9 plus 3u plus u plus 3 is equal 0. I rewrite and simplify this part of my equation. It be u minus 3 multiply u2 plus 4 dot u plus 12 is equal 0. Okay, now I can say if this equation is equal 0, first u minus 3 is 0, or this part of my equation is 0. Okay, if u minus 3 be 0, I can conclude that u is 3, and the other side u2 plus 4u plus 12 is equal 0. I can say I should solve this. For solving this equation, I should use this methods. Actually, if b to the power of 3 minus 4ac is negative, my equation has any solve. Actually, let's do it. I can say u2 plus 4 dot u plus 12 is 0, and now this is the a. Actually, the a is here, and it's 1, it's b, and this is c. Let's solve it. b to the power of 2, or b2 minus 4ac, a dot c. I can say b to the power of 2 is 4 to the power of 2 minus 4, 1 is a, and 12 is my c. And now I can say this is 16 minus 48, that is minus 32. And when this number is negative, my equation hasn't any real answer. So u only is 3. And now I can say u is equal 3 to the power of logarithm x. So 3 to the power of 1 is equal 3 to the power of logarithm x. So the logarithm of x is 1 and x is 10. My only real answer for this question is 10. And that was amazing. This is a very difficult and tricky question from Harvard Math exam. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and commenting your opinion about this question. Thank you and bye bye.